If a Bluetooth device is not showing up on your iPhone, not pairing, or failing to connect, here are some quick fixes that can solve the problem. First, open the Settings app and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on again. This refreshes the Bluetooth connection and helps your iPhone search for nearby devices again. Now, scroll down to the Other Devices section and wait a few seconds to see if your Bluetooth device appears. If it still doesn't show up, tap the small eye icon next to any old Bluetooth devices you no longer use and select Forget this device. Sometimes old or corrupted Bluetooth connections can interfere with new devices trying to connect. Next, make sure the Bluetooth accessory itself is in pairing mode. For example, if you're using headphones, speakers, or earbuds like AirPods Pro, you may need to press and hold the pairing button until a flashing light appears. Also, keep the Bluetooth device close to your iPhone and make sure it has enough battery power. If the device still isn't showing up, go back to Settings and tap on General. Then open Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. This resets Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and network settings back to factory defaults and often fixes Bluetooth pairing issues on iPhone. After the reset, restart your iPhone and try connecting the Bluetooth device again. You should also check for the latest iOS update under General, then tap on Software Update, because software bugs can sometimes affect Bluetooth connections. After completing these steps, your Bluetooth device should appear and connect normally to your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.